Hey, welcome everybody, Brian from T-sportline, and today I'm going to introduce our Cybertruck lower tray carpet insert. We made this specifically to add some grip and traction to the lower tray down here. If you look in here, you've got a lot of room for, maybe you have a bag or something you're bringing with us, but you don't want it to slide around as you're driving like this. So with our insert, this was precision cut. This is automotive grade carpet. It's water resistant. You can spill drinks on it. It's not a problem, but it fits in here and it's got the grippy bottom side, carpet texture on the top side. Now, when you put things in here, they're going to be a lot less likely to slide around as you're driving around. Just a nice little addition to the front of your Cybertruck. These are precision cut automotive grade carpet with a stick or a traction side on the back and carpet on the front. Just the perfect thing to add to your Cybertruck. Okay, everybody, check it out on the website. Let us know what you think.